National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Grundy County in northeast Illinois, southeastern Salle County in north central Illinois, western Livingston County in central Illinois until 10:30 p.m. At 9:11 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located along a line extending from Streeter to Grundy to 5 miles southwest of El Paso and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Streeter, Seneca, Pontiac, Flanagan, Odell, Kangley, Cornell, Ransom, Kinsman and Verona. Interstate 80 between mile markers 108 and 109. Interstate 55 between mile markers 188 and 214. The National